Hi guys! Today maglalaro tayo ng Huntsman. Nasa office ka and then merong Huntsman spider na sobrang laki tapos papatayin niya tayo tapos maglalagay siya ng itlog sa katawan natin. What? Wait, alien ba yun? Alien ata yun, hindi spider. Hindi ko maalala kung anong creature yan. What? Anyway, nag-OT tayo sa office. Tapos, may spider na papatay sa atin. So, samahan niyo ako today. Patayin yung spider or mapatay ng spider. Kala ko office. Mukha pala siyang laboratory. Office ng mga matatalino. Play game. Hey, just a reminder. Today's the security guard's last shift. Make sure you get the blue key card off her before she heads out. We can't have her living with it, especially with the new guy starting soon. She usually hangs out in the conference room. There's a spare purple keycard on the desk in reception if you need it. Show the new guard around the lab. Probably won't be necessary, but it's there if you need it. We've observed increased aggression in specimen 17, triggered by rapid movement. If it spots a moving target, it will stalk with stealth. Any sudden motion, especially sprinting, provokes an immediate full-speed attack. Close encounters confirm 17. Delivers a fatal venom via pounce. Avoid abrupt movement if within its line of sight. Extreme caution is advised. Okay, so may spider, si 17, si X17, and dapat yaw gumalaw. May run ba? Gano'n ang office, yayamanin! Hey, oh. That looks like a cult. Okay, open. Ayun, okay. Thank you. Ano lang pala siya? Shining, shimmering, splendid. May nag-iwan ng laptop. Yayamanin talaga. What is that sound? I can't quite tell kung nasan yung sound. Doesn't seem like may magagamit ako dito. Ang lawak. Oh my gosh. It's locked. We could go around it. Oh, nakalock siya. So kailangan ko ng what? Red key card or something? Inassume ko na lang kasi red yun nandito. Oh, pwede itong akyatan. Pag may spider, oh. Pero wala akong run. Ay, meron pala. Actually, hindi ata dapat ako Oh my goodness, it's so big! Ang laki niya! Ang laki niya! Buhok pa! Takot pala ako sa spider. Parang feel ko nakatingin siya sa akin though. I don't think madidigtas ako nung hagdan na yun. Baka tulog pa siya. Sarada ba? Okay. Back away. Slowly back away. I'm sorry. Lagi kong kinukuha yung mga kamag-anak mo sa island sa Animal Crossing. I'm sorry. Binenta ko kayo. Naririnig ba niya ako? Oh my god. Kinain ako ng spider. Security. Once na lumapit yung spider sa akin, I think wala na akong magagawa. Nag-give up na. Siguro pwede ako mag-slowly back away. Ano to? Need toxic solution. I see. Toxic solution. I doubt ibebenta nila yung toxic solution dito. Ito ba yun? Oh. Nandito siya, so I'll just go here. Ay, hopefully hindi niya ako naririnig. And like, mag-chill lang. Mag-chill lang ba siya? Mag-chill lang ba siya dun? Okay, conference room. Andito dapat, right? Yung keycard. Toxic solution ba to? Coffee? Ano ba to? Gano'n ba ang kaliit para kailangan tumalon? Oh my god! Bro, you dead. Blue keycard added to inventory. Landahan. Be careful going sa mga corners. Hindi makapagising. Okay, so this is yung pink. I believe yung blue is nasa baba. Ata. Peach, I don't know. I'm too stressed to think. Diyan ba siya? Dito siya kanina eh. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Andaya, lumilipad siya. I think it's trying to reach me pero nag-glitch na siya sa stairs. Please just go away, bro. Just go away. Let me tell you something, this isn't you. Huwag ka na magalit. Hindi mo naman ako kita dito eh. Just go away, bro. Mahuhulog ba ako? Just go away. Please just go away. Please, just let me go. It's right behind me, isn't it? Oh. Taas ba siya ng wall? I doubt. Katabi ko na ba? Umalis na ba siya? Ha? Natatrauma na ako. Hindi ko ata kaya kumpletuhin to, guys. This looks like a safe room. Dito tayo. Okay. I mean, I'm sure hindi safe tong lugar na to. But, it's a little shelter. Oh my goodness. Okay, dito ako galing, right? Hear me out. Maghintay tayo. Kinabukasan. Hintayin natin yung mga tao dumating. Diba? Ay, naku, papasukin mo ko. In case of emergency, please note that the only remaining supply of hydrogen peroxide is located in the medical cabinet in the observation room. All other stores have been depleted. Ensure this information is kept in mind, especially during any incidents requiring rapid sterilization. Used sparingly. Hydrogen peroxide yun, di ba? Pagka nilagay mo sa sugat, is bubula. This is yung observation room, right? I just heard... Dumaan ba dito? Siya ba yun? Where are you? Oh my gosh. Siya ata yun eh. Pero dapat ba 8 yung mata niya? Ito yun, diba? Can't I just take it? Walang hydrogen peroxide dito. Maybe there's a way para... Oh my gosh! Tapos mayroon pang silip. I should have known. Hello? 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 Okay. Oh! What the freak? Nandiyan na ba yan kanina? I don't know where to go now though. Okay, kakayanin. Kakayanin. Yan. What if we crouch all the way? Oh my god, siya ba yun? Hindi, upuan yan. Nauulol na ako. Feel ko may spiders na. Nanlalamig talaga ako. Nanlalamig yung kamay ko. Mas horror pa to sa mga horror game na nalaro ko. I've got nothing. Oh yeah, meron dito, diba? Yan yun, diba? Oh my gosh. I hope wala yung spider dyan. Or walang nakasunod na spider. Please, let me in, let me in. Come on, open mo. Open, bro. Sara mo. Sara mo, bro. And then what? Okay, ito yung bleach added to inventory. Okay. Ito ba yung kanina doon sa ilalim ng hagdan na lalagyan? Oh! Ano yun? Parang hindi ko naman siya naririnig. Ito ay purple keycard, which is yung nasa taas, right? Nasa taas yun. How do I go up? Na-forget ko na, bro. Okay. I think I'm making too much noise. Listen to the coffee. Oh my god. Okay. I'm trying to... Stairs! Oh my gosh. I hope he's not here. Di man siya gumagalaw, right? Like, nakakatakot sobra tong game na to. Parang naririnig ko siya. Hopefully wala siya dito. Oh my gosh. Okay. Purple card. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. Talaga ba ganun kaingay? Ah. Anyway, what's this? Ooh. Lab stuff. Safety first. Ano to? Need more ingredients. Ingredients lang. In the event of an uncontrolled specimen breach or other extreme circumstances, the following concoction is to be used for neutralizing specimen. Ingredients: hydrogen peroxide, salt, bleach, reactive agent. The combination of these substances will create a lethal reaction when making contact with the specimen. Distribute the toxic agent through the ventilation system. This procedure is considered a last resort to be utilized only when no other options remain. Unauthorized use will result in immediate containment protocol activation. But reactive agent. Oh, what's this? Wait, how do I go there? Lakas naman. Mag-crouch tayo. Crouch tayo para di tayo marinig. Go, go, go in, go in, go in. Okay. Hydrogen peroxide. So, meron akong hydrogen peroxide, yung bleach, yung reactive thing. Kailangan ko na lang ng salt. Okay, let's go. Salt, salt. Where do we find salt? Okay. Where do we go next? May trauma na ako sa stairs kasi andun. Andun kami naglaban ng spider kanina. So hopefully wala siya dito. Okay. Naririnig ko siya. Ah! Could you please go away? Oh my god. Please go away, sir. Ito na naman. Face the other way. No, no, no. No, stay. No, 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 just stay. Okay. No, 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 just stay, stay, stay. Stay, stay, please stay. Let me tell you something. Ako ay... alis na ako dito. Alis na ako sa earth. Hindi nyo na makikita. Okay, dyan ka na lang. Ako na lang aalis. Kaya ko ba mag-go around? With all the webs? May isa pang stairs, diba? Kung ito pa rin yun at naligaw lang akong bumaba, sasakalin ko sarili ko. Sasakalin ko sarili ko. Okay. Okay, okay. Wala siya dito. Wala siya sa other side. Then again, di ko rin alam kung saan ako pupunta. Ito ba yung merong... Hindi ito din. Okay. Nahi. Saan siya? Saan siya? Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Naka-crouch ba ako? Oh. Dito ba siya? Ay, wala siya dito. Wala siya dito. I am so stressed. I think it's just around the corner. What if magtago ako dito? Ito ba siya? Oh! Oh my gosh, nasa cafeteria na ako. Yes. Yes, ito oh. The coffee thing. Bro, ano ba siya sa other side? Asan na? Ayun. After ko makuha to, kompleto na ingredients, right? Ay, naririnig ko siya. I don't know where. Nandiyan kaya siya sa labas? God damn, this game. Okay. Oof. Okay, konti na lang. Nagsisquat siya every second. Every other second. Para di marinig ng spider. Oh my gosh, I'm lost. Asan ba yun dito? No. Wait, andun siya. I mean, andun yung lab. Since andito yung pasukan, right? Okay. Sprint. Come on. Ah! Kaya ko nang gawin to. Okay. Toxic solution added to inventory. Okay. Tapos, ilalagay ko yun dun sa... Saan yun? Konti na lang. Bro. Nasaan siya? Bakit ko siya naririnig? Sa labas? Pero hindi ko siya makita. Parang balik-balik lang siya. Alam ba niyang nandito ako? Oh. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung security part. Pero alam ko nasa malapit lang siya dapat sa hagdan. Okay. Wait. Ito ba yung cafeteria? Oh, nahulog ako. Bukit. Bro, tumakbo ka. Tumakbo ka, mabilis. Ah, yung puso ko. Okay. Dito. Okay. Dito ba siya? Shit. I don't know where. I'm gonna die. Dito ba siya? Okay, nasa maling lugar ako. Pero baka may way? Ay, hindi. I think na-block niya. I mean, hopefully may way palabas dito sa cafeteria. I don't think so. Mukhang wala. Nasaan siya? Why could I hear it? Pero wala siya. Okay. So, I guess nasa taas siya. I'm guessing nasa taas siya. Pasok. Go away. On nyo nga. Baka may CCTV dyan. Nasusuka na. Konti na lang. What if I open yung door? Nasaan siya? And asan yung... Bro. Tara ba? Bakit hindi ko makita yung spider? Pero parang andyan lang siya sa labas. Nasa lower floor? I think nasa lower floor or nandito. Wala. I think nandito siya. Jeez. Oh, Jesus. my God. So, nandun siya. Saan napunta? Oh my gosh, asan yung security? I can't remember. I can't remember kung nasan yung security. Saan siya? Pag ginamscare niya ako dito, layo tayo. Laro tayo. Layo. What? Bigla siya nawala. Anyway. That works for me. Oh my gosh. And then, come on. Ito na. Oh, nalagay na. I should find the spider. Oh, no. What I should do is mag-lock ng sarili ko. Call 911. Nasaan yung spider? Wait, andito siya sa conference room kanina, di ba? Wait, that's my office, I think. And he should be... Wait, ibubuan yun. Nasaan na yung spider? He was just here. Don't tell me nakatakas yung spider. I'm sorry to tell you. But there's nobody. We found nobody. Are you serious? Talaga. Nakita ko talaga siya. Nasa conference room. Tas, yung bigla siya nawala. Umakit kaya siya? Spidey. Hindi naman ako nag-hallucinate eh. Meron talaga. Spider has been eliminated. Asaan? Hindi ko nakita yung bangkay niya. Oh my goodness. Nakatakas din. Na-eliminate din natin yung spider. Pero don't do that in real life. Okay? Huwag kayo mananakit ng spiders. Spiders are friends. Mabait yung spiders. Mas takot pa sila kaysa mas takot ka sila. Ha? Mas takot sila sa'yo kaysa sa mas takot ka sa kanila. Pwede na yan. Pero just ko, grabe yung game na yun. Mas nakakatakot pa yung game. Mas nakakatakot pa yung spider na yun kaysa sa mga nalaro ko ng horror game. Wag na kayo magna-night shift guys. Baka may malaking spider. And that's it for Huntsman. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, please leave a like and subscribe na rin kayo for more content. And if gusto nyong laruin tong Huntsman on your own, lagay ko na lang yung link down below sa description box. Thank you so much guys and see you in the next transmission. PD Clip, bye-bye! Na-trauma ba kayo? Ako na-trauma ako, Diyos ko po. Nakakatakot yung spider. Daw pang cute niya, pero nakakatakot pa din.